Hey guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable keyboard glide typing on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, okay, scroll down and go to system. And system, okay, you can see here the language in input. Okay, tap this. In language in input, in keyboard in input section, you can see the virtual keyboard. Okay, go to virtual keyboard. You can see the Gboard. Okay, tap Gboard. And Gboard in settings. Here you can see the glide typing. Tap the glide typing. Here in glide typing, you can see the enable glide typing. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the keyboard glide typing, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay? We have successfully enabled input a word by sliding through the letters. And okay, also you can enable the show gesture trail here. Okay, you can see on the right side the switch button. You'll have to do is switch on the switch button to show the gesture trail on your glide typing. And okay guys, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button. And that's it, okay? We have successfully enabled. And okay, we can view if the glide typing is enabled on keyboard. Okay guys, here you can see on the keyboard the glide typing. And okay guys, to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay? We have successfully enabled or disabled keyboard glide typing on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.